Hi everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm filming, but I'm filming from my phone. So I really can't say anything about the quality. So today I am going to do an unboxing video for the Blush Boxx. So here is the box. So I'm just gonna open it and see what I got in this time's box. और मैं phone से film करने के लिए I especially bought this tripod, which I'm really doubtful. Oops. Because it's a very flimsy, because it was really cheap, so काम चलाओ है. So I thought, okay, चला लेंगे काम किसी तरह. So yeah, I'm just gonna open it and see what's inside. Alright, so this is how the Blush Boxx looks like. Usual packaging, blue and pink, जो इनकी हमेशा ही रहती है. So let's just open and see what products I got this time. Alright, so this is how the Blush Boxx looks from inside. I can see 4 products, and I don't see any info card. Yeah, there is no info card this time. And let's just check out the products. So the very first thing I can see is a face mask. It's a fuchsia detox face mask. That is, it is like an activated charcoal face mask. So definitely will try, because I love charcoal face masks. They are very good to clean out your skin, and my skin is behaving really bad these days. Right now I do have BB cream on, but you can see that there's a lot of pumpiness and stuff. So yeah, so definitely gonna try this. And this retails for 250 Indian rupees. So that was the face mask. Now let's just check out another thing. Alright, so what is this? Alright, so the next thing I can see is by Healthbit. It's blackhead eliminating scrub. So I think it's also charcoal based. Let me just read it. Yes, it does have activated charcoal. I do have their a peel off mask, and that's really good. I do have their face wash as well, which I really don't like, because it kind of it just burns my eyes, that's why. But I'm very excited to use this scrub. I love using scrubs, and the packaging is really fancy. It comes in this kind of a tub, and when you open the first lid, you can see there's another lid here, and very tight. Okay, I'll just figure it out later, how do you open this lid, because it's really tight. And so yeah, it looks really nice, and this one retails for 400 rupees, and I'm very excited about this one. I really wanted to try ASAP. I think I'm just gonna try it right after filming this video. So that's that. Then I see 2 more products. The next product I see from the brand Chrono Care, and this is a Polystop face protective skin against pollution for face for all skin types. Wow. So it's like a polyscreen, like sunscreen you have. This is like a pollution screen. Yeah, so this is really unique thing, which I definitely want to try, because I live in Gurgaon, and you know how much Gurgaon is polluted, and मेरी जो skin है वो यहाँ के ही ज़्यादा बेकार हुई है, because when I was in Chandigarh my skin used to be really nice. Anyways, I'm just gonna try this, and I'll let you know my thoughts about this. And this seems really interesting. And this is sulfate free, mineral oil free, paraben free, fragrance free, silicone free. The amount of product I'm getting here is 30 ml of product, and this retails for 495 Indian rupees. This little bottle is for 495, so it must be good. Yeah, so that's that. Just left with last product, which is nicely bubble wrapped here. Let's just open it. Alright, so this is like a lip scrub, and this is by Cape of Good Soap and Bubblegum Lip Puff. It smells like a bubblegum. This is 25 grams of product, and it retails for 299 Indian rupees. So that's that. So I am done with my September Blush Boxx, and honestly this time I loved the Blush Boxx, because all the things I think I can use, and I am very excited to use 2 of the products, especially the charcoal scrub, and the other one is the Polystop Polyscreen. I'm also excited about this face mask, though I do have lots of charcoal masks, but I will be definitely trying this mask as well. And yeah, that's it. I really loved this time's box, and you are getting a lot of stuff for a cheaper amount, and all the details of this box will be in the description box. So if you're interested, go and check it out, subscribe it for yourself. I'm just gonna wash my face, scrub it off and use these products right now. And yeah, I'll see you soon later. And if you're new to my channel, मेरे को पहली बार देख रहे हैं आप और आपको मेरी वीडियोस अच्छी लग रही हैं और अभी तक अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, then please do hit the subscribe button, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.